Hello, welcome back. Alrighty, are you ready for another awesome dip? So last night we did the French onion dip. Oh yeah baby, that's so good. And tonight we're going to do the corn relish dip. Now what I'm doing is I'm doing a few things over this week for Easter that I normally like to do for Easter. And dips are awesome for the footy. Okay, so all we need for this corn relish dip is a 250 gram jar of corn relish. I always use the Master Foods one, but I'm sure anyone will do. And a 250 gram block of cream cheese. Now these are the ones that I just get from Aldi's and there's absolutely nothing wrong with them. And either Jatz biscuits or chips. So all we do is we get our block of cream cheese and we just chop it up and chuck it into a bowl, and then we're just going to put Glad wrap over the top and leave it sit there for about 20 minutes, half an hour to soften up and go to room temperature. Once we've warmed it up to room temperature, we put our whole jar of corn relish in there, and then we give it, I use a fork and mix it through really well. Once you've beaten it with a fork really well, it will look like this. Oh, yum. Alright, now we put it into our serving bowls. Well, there you have it. Corn relish dip, just like that. Stick them in the fridge for an hour covered in Glad wrap minimum, or leave them like me overnight, and I reckon they taste so much better the next day. So make them the day before your party or you get together. How simple is that one? Oi, thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome night, and I'll be back really soon. Bye.